Blockchain technology explained, how it works and its potential impact on the future. Blockchain tutorial for beginners. In this video, you will learn about the basics of blockchain technology, including how it works and its potential impact on the future. We'll cover the key features of blockchain, such as the decentralized digital ledger and its use of complex algorithms to secure and verify transactions. We will also take a look at some of the most common use cases of blockchain, from financial transactions to supply chain management, and from voting systems to digital identity management. Additionally, we will also provide a brief overview of how blockchain is used in cryptocurrency. Stay informed about the latest developments and trends in the world of blockchain with this comprehensive guide. Welcome to the world of blockchain, the revolutionary technology that's changing the way we conduct transactions and store information. Blockchain is a decentralized, digital ledger that records all transactions on a network. It uses complex algorithms to secure and verify these transactions, making it extremely difficult to hack or manipulate the data. Each block in the chain contains a group of transactions, and once a block is added to the chain, it cannot be altered. This creates a permanent and secure record of all transactions on the network. Blockchain has many potential use cases, from financial transactions and supply chain management to voting systems and digital identity management. It's also the backbone of many cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. The use of blockchain technology is becoming increasingly common in our everyday lives, and it's expected to have a major impact on the way we conduct business in the future. Blockchain, the revolutionary technology that's changing the way we think about transactions and data storage.